Hi guys, my name is Pushpendra and in this tutorial I'm going to explain you how you can use a scroller view in Android Studio and what key point you have to keep in mind while you are using scroller view. So let's begin with the development. I'm creating one new project with empty activity. Scroller view, finish. I'm creating this project with Kotlin, okay? Now it will take some time. Okay, the rendering has been completed. Now I will run and see the output. What is the output to build. Now here it is. So here we will draw a scroller view, and inside the scroller view I will take some view inside that, so that you can scroll and you can see the output how it's happening. Okay, so I will create scroller view here. That is plain, nothing is here. So first of all, what I will do, I have to take a scroller view into the complete screen. Okay, so I will change this with the scroller view. Alright, now what you have to remember, scroller view can have only a single child. Okay, means here you can take relative layout, here you can take linear layout. It is depend on completely your requirement. Okay, but it can have only one child view, as I'm showing into the example. For now I'm taking a linear layout, and if you did not see in my last video, which is on the linear layout and relative layout difference, so you must need to watch that. Go to the description and find the link. Okay, so this is my linear layout. Now this linear layout can have multiple childs. Okay, so here I will give the orientation vertical, and inside that I will take multiple views. For now I'm just taking normal views, match parent, and height I'm taking 200 dp. Okay, and padding I'm giving 10 dp. Every view I will set the background color so that we can see the separation of every view. Another one different view, same. And keep the margin from every view, margin top 10 dp, that's enough. Now I will copy and paste the complete. Margin top 10 dp was here. Okay, so here you can see that is the scroller view and it contain a multiple view. So let's see the output. Wonderful, you have achieved your task. So now you can design according to your requirement this design. I hope you understand the video and you completely watch the video. If really you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much guys, have a great time.